Hello folks, today I'm looking at the 𝙄𝙄𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙉 from Carlinkit. This little device in here basically takes your car that already has Android Auto or Apple Carplay functionality built into it, and it makes it wireless. So that means you can get into the car and have your phone in your pocket or in your wireless charger, wherever you want the phone to be, and it will automatically sync up with your car's infotainment system and give you wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto in a car that would otherwise need a wired connection. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this that should only take a minute because it's a tiny little thing. Then we're going to stick it in the car, give it an overview of the setup and a review of it in use. Full disclosure guys, they've sent me one of these for review. I'm not getting paid for it. I'm under no obligation to say that the thing's wonderful or anything. I do have an affiliate link in the video description, and if you use the code JIM, J-I-M, that will get you an 18% discount if you use that link. Now obviously I might go on and tell you this is a load of rubbish, so keep watching and see what I think of it. Okay folks, so this is a 2023 model. It's called the 𝙄𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙉 wireless USB adapter from Carlinkit. We're now going to try and get into this box. There we go. And that's the device. So that just plugs into your car's USB socket. You'll see the plug there. And that's a USB-C in that device. But as you can see, we've got USB-C to C and we've got USB-A to C. Now in our Citroen, we've got a USB-A in the car. So I'm going to be using this A to C. So that's now plugged in. I'm then going to go to the Bluetooth options in my phone and you'll see the air kit there. So I'm just going to turn the car off and we'll start again as if I'm getting into the car for the first time. And it's really quite quick. That initial setup took a couple of attempts, but it's now really quite quick. Now the biggest issue with these things is they're sometimes quite laggy, and the Citroen system itself can be quite laggy. So let's just have a look at the reaction. To be fair, that's as good as this Citroen system is with the phone actually plugged in with a wired connection. And I'll show you that in a sec just to prove it to you. Okay, so that works perfectly well. In fairness, this seems like a great piece of kit. Obviously you can use it for Android Auto as well. I can't test that out for you today, I'm afraid, but you can use this for wireless Android Auto as well as wireless Apple CarPlay. It's really not a problem. Obviously if you want to use it in a different car, you just unplug it. It's as simple as that. Now let me just plug the phone into a wired connection so you can see how that looks on this Citroen system. I don't know, it doesn't feel like there's a massive difference in response times between the two, to be completely honest. It feels like this wireless Carlink system is pretty much as quick as the wired one. You've just got that extra couple of seconds of setup, but in terms of how responsive the unit is, it feels exactly the same. So my major concern was that this was going to add a bit of lag to what is already quite a laggy system, and it doesn't. I mean, it works brilliantly. I wholeheartedly recommend this little gizmo. There you go folks, I hope you found that useful. We're certainly going to be holding onto that one and using it in our car, as you saw there. My wife's phone now has got a bit of a dodgy connection, so having something wireless makes perfect sense for us. Once again, if you do want to order one of these, my affiliate link is in the video description and pinned as a top comment, and if you use the code JIM, that'll get you 18% off. Can't be bad, can it? Please give the video a thumbs up, please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and please share with your friends. See you on the next one.